Since 1875, Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram has been San Jose's premier automotive dealership. And here's another great example of one of our quality pre-owned vehicles that has been through our rigorous inspection and reconditioning process and is equipped with Sirius XM satellite radio, keyless entry, roof rack, alloy wheels, heated front seats, steering wheel controls, air conditioning, traction control, fog lights, power windows, and has less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. After viewing this vehicle, we hope you'll give us the opportunity to prove to you why Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram is the best place to buy your next vehicle.